Lab testing was being conducted with materials that mimic the virus that causes COVID-19, but it has been stressed that no actual virus was used. Senator Mitch McConnell wants the White House to reject any new coronavirus relief before the election. The majority leader made the comments during a lunch with GOP lawmakers yesterday. McConnell argued House Speaker Nancy Pelosi isn't negotiating in good faith with White House representatives. President Trump yesterday on the campaign trail in Pennsylvania, where he urged the governor to open up the state during the pandemic. Former President Barack Obama is also swinging through the swing state of Pennsylvania. He'll hold a Biden campaign event in Philadelphia today. The Justice Department is suing Google in a landmark antitrust case. 11 states joined the lawsuit against Google. Some lawmakers have accused Google, as well as Amazon, Apple, and Facebook, of amassing monopoly power in the cyber world. For more news, listen to the Daily Dive. The big news stories explained, not shouted, every day on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Now, more of Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather with Ron St. Pierre on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Well, other dealers have... And then, sure.
Just free pickup.
On the Rock and Roll 94 HJY, there's a fascinating article on rock stars who came to hate their own kind of iconic songs. Oh, yeah. Well, you know, if you play it often enough, I remember in the classic Arlo Guthrie hated playing Alice's Restaurant. Of course, it was 25 minutes long. Right. Once you get into that, you're not getting out of that. Cobain stopped playing Smells Like Teen Spirit in concert. Wow. He wrote the lyrics, and it was kind of a condemnation of, like, mindless frat boy mentality. And he said those were the dudes who loved it the most. He goes, I could barely get through it without wanting to throw my guitar down and walk off stage. Wow. Slash didn't like Sweet Child of Mine. He said that it was essentially a way that he had practiced playing his scales on guitar. Sure, do that. He later embraced it because the fans loved it so much. Now, Robert Plant, we've heard about this. He said that he was really high when he wrote the lyrics to Stairway to Heaven, and at times he felt